Hi amigos, welcome back to my channel Amigos Recipes. Today we are going to prepare microwave gravy. Normally Indian gravies take a lot of time to prepare as on low flame we are supposed to fry the masala for a longer time. But we don't have this pleasure every time. But we don't need to compromise with the taste. We can prepare this quick and easy microwave recipe. We have used a lot of whole spices in this gravy, which complements the taste. So let's start the gravy.
Take half cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped tomato, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 8 to 10 garlic buds, 10 cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 8 to 10 black peppercorn, half tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of butter, 2 dry red chillies, 1 bay leaf. Mix everything evenly. Now microwave cook it for 10 minutes. Mixture is ready after 10 minutes. Let it cool to room temperature. Now transfer it in a jar and make a paste. Paste is ready. Heat a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of butter, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, let it splutter. Add the paste. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, mix everything well. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, mix and cook for 5 minutes. Our quick microwave gravy is ready.
While preparing this gravy, please make sure that the amount of onion used should be half of the tomato, as the excess of onion sweetens the gravy. We hope you like this video. If yes, do give a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.